Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th Maths, exercise 5.3. So students, we are going to start exercise 5.3, question number A. So question number A is, the numbers in column A and C are the factors of the numbers in column B. Means the numbers given in column A, this is column A and this is column C. So the numbers given in column A and C are the factors of the numbers given in column B, which is given in the middle. So it is given match and then color the circles in the same color. So what is the meaning of that? How to match it and how to color it. See students. Now as B is the main number, so we will concentrate on B and then we will find the factor in column A and C. So here students, it is given 77. So how 77 will come? We will find the number from this and one number from this, because these are the factors given. So see students, 11 sevens are 77. Is it correct? Yes. 11 multiplied by 7 is equal to 77. So we can match 11 with 77. Then 77 can be matched with 7. Okay. Now you can check it again. 11 sevens are 77. So 11 and 7 are the factors of the number 77. So students, in this way you have to match all. So now moving to next. So see students, we will match. Now 38 is given. Which numbers can be multiplied to get 38? So see students, 2 is there. So for that we can check also, like 38 is given. If we are checking from 2, 2 ones are 2 and then we are getting 1, we are getting 8, 2 nines are. So 2 19s are 38. We can match. 2 is here, 19 is here, yes it is here. So 2 will be matched with 38 and here 38 will be matched with 19. So 2 and 19 are the factors of 38. In the same way we can check for 3. If we are taking 39 for 3, see 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 13. Is 13 available here? Yes, it is here. So see 3, 39 and 39 will be matched to 13. So check it whether 39 is a factor. 39 we are getting by multiplying 3 and 13 or not. So 13, 3 are 39. So 3 and 13 are the factors of 39. Last, now 5. 5 will be matched with 85 and 85 with 17. So 5 and 17 are the what? Are the factors of 85. Now students, then you have to color the circles in the same color. So students, you can see in your book 2 is given with green color. So 2, 38 and 19 will be in green color. You have to color it green. You can note down in your notebook also, in your copy. You can make this and you can color also 2, 38 and 19 in with green color. Then second one in 3, 39 and 13 you can do with blue or purple color. Then orange. 5 is orange color, so you can do 5, 85 and 17 with orange color. You can fill the color. Then last one, red. So 11 is given with red color. So 11, 77 and 7 you can color red. So now students, moving to question number B. Find factors using multiplication. Means by using the table formula you can find the what? Factors of the given number. The given number, first one is here, is 16. Okay students, so 16 comes in which table? You have to see. So see students, if I am writing over here, so if I am taking 1, so 1 into 16, 16 is there. 2, if I am taking 2, 8 is the 16, yes. Table of 3, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 is not the factor. Now 4 4 is the 16, yes, we are getting 4 4 is the 16. Then check one more, 5, no, 6 in the table of 6, 16 does not come. 7, 8 it comes. So 8 1 is the 8, 8 2 is the 16. Okay students, 8 2 is the 16. So now we can say that, so 1, 2, 4, 8. And more any number is there which can divide 16. So 16 into 1 also we can take. So 16 ones are 16. So simply students, the front numbers which I had written here 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of what? 16. But what you have to do, find the factors using multiplication. So this is multiplication and you can write here simply by putting commas 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. One more method is there. You can divide the number by 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. But here question is given, you have to use the multiplication method. So that's why we have used this method. Now moving to 21. So students, if I am multiplying with 1 into 21, of course 21, 1 multiplied by any number, we get the same number. So now 2 in the table of 2, 21 comes? No. In the table of 3? Yes, it comes. So 3 sevens are 21. In the table of 4? No. In the table of 5? No. 6? No. 7. 7 it comes. So 7 threes are 21. The last one is 21 itself. So 21 into 1. So see students, 21. So 1, 3, 7 and 21 are the factors. 1, 3, 7 and 21. So see students, find factors using division. Question number C. So 18 is the first number, but it is given factors using division. Question number B we have done using multiplication, but here it is used by using the division. So 18 is there. So now divide, like as we have multiplied the number, given number with 1, 2, 3 and 4 like that, but here we have to divide it with 18. 18 is there. So now divide it by 1. Of course by 1 it will be divisible. So 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Carry down 8. Then 1 8s are 8. So simply we are getting the remainder 0. Remainder 0 means it is exactly divided by 1. So it is a factor. Now check for 2s. So 2 9s are 18. Yes. So 8 minus 8 0. 1 minus 1 0. As the remainder is 0 means 18 is again divided by 2 exactly as the remainder is 0. Once again I am telling. Okay. So like this. Now 18 divided by 3. In the table of 3 it is coming, that we are knowing. But by using division we have to show. So now 3 5 is 15. 3 6 is 18. Okay. So 18 is there. So 18 minus 18 is 0. Again 0 is coming as remainder, means 18 is exactly divided by 3. So 3 is also the factor of the given number, that is 18. Now 4. Table of 4, if we are reading 4 5s are 20 and 4 4s are 16. 18 is not coming. So leave. Table of 5. No. 6. 6. Of course it will come. So 18 divided by 6. Why we are not taking 4 and 5 beta? Because we are already knowing that in the table of 4 and 5 it is not coming. But by showing division, the remainder will not be 0. So it will not be the factor of that given number. So now 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 threes are 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. Okay, means 0 is there as a remainder, means 6 is also exactly dividing 18. So 6 is also a factor of the given number, that is 18. Now 7, 7 threes are 21, 7 twos are 14. No. 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. No. Then 9, table of 9 we can check. So 18 divided by 9. 9 twos are 18. So minus 18 minus 18 is again 0. 0 is the remainder, means 18 is also exactly divided by 9, means 9 is also a factor. Now next number is, we are taking 18 divided by 18. So 18 ones are 18. Now 0 is the factor, means 18 is also exactly dividing 18 by itself. Now students, out of this, now we have to write the factors. So find the factors using division. This is the division method. So the what? Divisors are the factors here. So students, 1, then here 2 is exactly dividing 18. So 2 is also a factor. 3 is also dividing 18. Because the remainder is 0. Where the remainder will be 0, that will be the factor of the given number. So after 3, 6 is there. After 6 here 9 is there. Then after 9 directly 18. So students, find the factors using division. 18 is given. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are the factors of 18 by using the division method. Now 25 is given. Same process we will apply here. So 25 is there. So by 2, can it be divided by 2? Tell me. No, because 5 is given here. It cannot be divided by 2. Now 3 ones are 3. No, 3 is not given here. It is 2, so it cannot be divided. Now 25 is there. Can it be divided by 3? Exactly. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. No. From 3 it cannot be divided. The 2 minus 2 0. This is 5 and 1 5 is a 5. Now 0 is the remainder. 1 is dividing 25 exactly. Now 2, 3 we have checked. 4 not possible. So by 5. So 25 divided by 5. So now 5 5 is a 25. Now again we are getting 0. 0 is the remainder, means 5 is also dividing exactly 25. Now one number last is left, that is 25. 25 ones are 25. Rest no other numbers are there. So these three are the only numbers which are dividing 25 exactly by leaving the remainder 0. So this will be 1, second divisor is 5 and third divisor is 25. So students, 1, 5 and 25 are the factors by using the division method. So students, in this way exercise 5.3 can be solved by you A, B and question number C. So thank you for watching.